Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a door schedule with room information inside of your schedule. And it will be taken automatically from your Revit project, so you don't have to do this manually. So for example, here you can see I have a door and it is going from my living room to my bedroom, and I want to see this information in my schedule. So the way to do this is to go to my schedules, create a new door schedule, and now we will go with our mark. And now we need to add parameters for the rooms, and the way to do this is to change this information in here in the select available fields from, and we will go with from room, and now you can see all of the parameters that are available to choose from the room that the door is going from. So we will go with our number and name, and now we will change this to room, and the same thing, number and name. And when we hit OK now, you can see the schedule that has information about the rooms that belong to the door. So this way it is automatic and you don't need to do this manually, and you can do it pretty easily and pretty quickly.